plane RX90, right? And then what we did, both of them is 1 meter, right? And in edit mode, bring this up Z, or bring it a little bit here. Right, what we're going to do, right click and subdivide. We're going to write here 99. So what we'll have here actually, if you press on the face here and then Alt and click on any, you will see statistics that 100 faces, which is every face is 1 centimeter. The reason I did this, because you could see. Right, let's go to object mode, and on this one come back properties here, okay, and then viewport display, just click here, wireframe, right? So you know you could actually use this as a measurement too, right? Anyway, we click here and then click on this arrow there, so we can click here, so we cannot touch this at all. We can only touch whatever top of it, right, and the drafting. So I select these all and go to Y, which is on right, and then GY, little bit top of it. So when we go to one front view, we can see where we are, right? Okay, now we need the back, and then we can click here and drafting, so we don't touch the drafting either. So this is the Bezier curve. This is not a Bezier curve anymore. That's called back curve, right? And go to edit mode, select all these and this, right? Shift D, right click to cancel it, press P, right, and go out of object mode, okay, and click on this back curve. So we have this called back curve 1. This is not back anymore. This is gonna be side panel, right? Okay, and rotate. Rotate, and then G to bring it here. Select all, G and Y. Okay. You hide the back curve, then we will see what we're doing now. Okay, now extrude all the way to here, this point, where the front chest. Okay. So this is GX is going to be minus 3.5 5 centimeter. Okay, now you can shape the side panel armhole. Okay, this is E, and come all the way to this line here. This line is which is the front line, and then the shape this shape the side panel where it's almost touching each other at the pocket position, lower pocket position. And this, because of front, it's gradually going to be longer than the back, right? This is the back, and the front is going to be somewhere here, and 2 centimeter at this point, right? So, but it has to go gradually, right? Okay, so what we do, G, Z, just the 1 centimeter, -1. Okay, we still shape the side panel, not pass through, but it's almost touching at the pocket level here. Yeah, right, now this one and that one you can fill and shape. Right, okay, what we did the side panel finished as well. Yes, and if you go object mode and show the back curve as well, okay, we have back, and the side. Yeah, now we have to draft the front